They tested positive for COVID pero wala.
Come, Mama.
Come, Mama.
Oh, yeah. Come with Daddy's car.
Huh?
Daddy's car.
Daddy's in the car. Is that why you're rushing? Welcome back to our channel. So it is Tuesday morning and late tayo mag-start ng work today kasi may lakad kami ni Mike. Nakita niyo naman sa previous vlogs namin na Mike and I haven't been feeling very well in the past week. Kaya napag-isipan namin na we will do the COVID test. Gagawin namin to for our peace of mind and also I think it's a responsible thing na magpa-check to know if you have it or not. Kaya I told my boss na mag-start ako ng late this morning. Kaya dun yung lakad namin today. Actually, last night nag-usap kami ni Mike and sabi ko, natatakot talaga ako. Kasi alam niyo naman, di ba, nakakatakot talaga pag malaman yung katotohanan. Alam niyo yun. We are hoping for the best. I doubt na meron kami nito. I doubt na na-contract talaga namin yung virus. I think it's just because of the weather. It's getting really cold and it's just the common flu that we're getting. But for our peace of mind, gagawin namin yung test. We'll see you again soon. Check tayo. It is currently 3:29 ng hapon and ngayon lang ako ulit makakapag-update sa inyo kasi kanina pagka-uwi namin straight after from the test, diretso na ako sa computer guys kasi I told my boss na I will start at 10:30 ng umaga and nakauwi kami dito mga 11:20. So, diretso na ako sa computer, nag-work na ako straight away at hindi na ako nakapag-update sa inyo. Anyways, what happened was natagalan kami doon kasi pagdating namin doon, walang parking. So, umuulan pa siya and ayokong mabasa kami ni Mike. Kasi alam niyo na, we're not feeling very well tapos mababasa pa kami ng ulan. It will get even worse. Kaya I was driving around para makakita ako ng parking na malapit doon sa medical clinic. Anyways, we found a parking and then naglakad kami papunta doon. Now, the queue was so long. Yung linya talaga ay hanggang sa driveway ng clinic. Doon kami natagalan sa linya kasi the test itself, the swab test itself, it doesn't take long at all. Like, seriously, it took seconds. Yung ginawa lang nila ay, parang sinwab nila yung back of our throat, tapos sa loob ng ilong. It was very irritating yung sa ilong. Mike found the back of the throat irritating kisa sa ilong, but we're the other way around. Anyways, sobrang dali lang talaga, but sa daming nagpapatest, doon kami natagalan. And you know why maraming tao doon, maraming gustong magpatest? Kasi it's not necessary naman talaga na kailangan may maramdaman kang symptoms bago ka magpa-check. Normally, yung mga tao dito, yung mga workers, especially sa mga companies na may test na positive, yung mga tao na nag-work in that same place, in that same room, in the same office, nagpapacheck din sila kasi just to make sure na hindi nila na-contract yung virus. So, hindi lang talaga katulad sa amin ni Mike na meron kaming nararamdaman na ganito ngayon, kaya kami nagpapacheck. So, that's why the queue was very long. Minsan kasi, may mga tao na walang pinapakitang symptom yung katawan nila, but they already have it. I heard some news na yung ibang mga basketball players sa USA, they tested positive for COVID, pero wala daw silang naramdaman na kahit anong symptoms. Kaya kami nagpa-check ni Mike, it's for the peace of mind, and also, I think it's a responsible thing to do na magpa-check. Para naman, if ever lang, no, knock on wood lang talaga, I'm hoping na wala kaming virus, but if ever meron man, at least we can distance ourselves from other people just to keep everyone safe. We'll just isolate ourselves. Kung wala man, then thanks the Lord. I'm really hoping na wala talaga. It's unlikely na magkaroon kami ni Mike, but then again, we did the test just for peace of mind, and we thought that it's the best thing to do. Minsan kasi yung mga healthy people, kung na-contract man nila yung virus, kaya minsan wala silang na-feel na symptoms kasi yung napupuruhan lang talaga ng COVID ay yung mga elderly people, tapos yung mga tao na may underlying health issues, katulad ng diabetes, o may mga heart problem, yung mga ganun. Kaya we keep our distance from Mike's grandparents, so hindi muna namin sila binibisita while we are feeling this way, para we make sure na everyone is safe. Kaya yung mga tao na not healthy, yung may mga sakit na talaga, they have to be very careful kasi sila yung mas delikado talaga kung na-contract nila yung virus. Kaya sobrang natakot talaga ako gabi nung nag-usap kami ni Mike. Sabi ko, what if ma-positive tayo, ganyan. Tapos sabi ni Mike, don't be scared. Kasi kaya nga tayo magpapatest para malaman natin and para alam na natin kung ano ang dapat nating gawin. Paris is actually at childcare today, but nag-usap kami ni Mike na ito na muna yung last day ni Paris sa childcare kasi hindi muna namin siya dadalhin sa childcare while hindi pa namin natanggap yung result kasi we don't want to be irresponsible na dadalhin namin si Paris sa childcare, papasok kami ng childcare, tapos we are carrier of the virus pala, diba? So you'll never know, kaya last day na muna ni Paris today, and then until we get back the result, 7 days daw, which takes a while kasi I think before, mga 2 to 3 days, nakabalik na yung result. But I think right now, kasi marami na yung nagpapacheck, that's why it takes a while for the result to come back. Kaya for 7 days, we will just isolate ourselves. Tonight, siguro, bibili lang kami ng mga kakailanganin namin dito sa bahay, like a week worth, para hindi na kami pabalik-balik ng shops. Dito lang kami sa bahay for a week until matanggap namin yung resulta. So what will happen is, kung negative ka, they will send you a text message to let you know the good news. If ever na positive, unfortunately, we will receive a phone call from the Department of Health. And I am praying and I am hoping for the best na negative kami, and I'm hoping na parang flu lang to siya, and we will take rest, we will take proper medications, and then hopefully it will just go away. But still nakakatakot siya, diba? Kasi you can hear from the news na people are dying from this virus, and it's very scary. I think it's the best decision na ginawa namin ni Mike kagabi na we will get tested para naman malaman namin and to keep people around us safe. Okay naman yung pakiramdam namin ni Mike. Again, it's just my nose, but it is definitely much better than last week. And si Mike now, he's just having a bit of a cold and a cough. Yun yung nararamdaman niya ngayon, but not to the point na hindi kami makapagtrabaho dahil masama yung pakiramdam namin. Anyways, kakain lang muna ako, guys, kasi 3:40 na siya ng hapon, and very soon we're going to pick up Paris from the childcare. And gutom na ako, guys. Hindi ako kumain kanina. I think like my bitok needs food now kasi nag-make sound na siya ba. But anyways, guys, I'll speak to you again very soon.
Okay.
Okay.
Two.
Chew.
Huh?
How about your water bottle? Get your bag. Get it.
Mommy, get.
Huh? Where's your water bottle? Tingnan natin kung mapalala ba niya yung sa kanya. Kasi bago yun. Aww. You can't reach it? There you go. Oh, yung cover. Alam niya yung cover. Hala, nak, saan naman yung mga sapatos na?
Mama.
Yes, honey?
Where's that?
Huh? Where's the bag? Look at the
There,
bag.
there.
It's there. It's your jacket. Drink your water na. Oh, tingnan niyo. Oh, very hugaw ang ating baby. Did you enjoy today, Nak?
Please put it back.
Oh, put it in the bag. Did you enjoy today, Nak? Huh? Wow! Pero ang buling-buling ng ating... Wait a minute. Oh, open. Quick, come here. Tingnan niyo. Hindi na nakapasok ang kanyang kuan. Damit. Wait for mama. Wait for mama.
Come, Mama.
Come, mama.
Oh, yeah. Come on, that's the car.
Huh?
That's the car.
Daddy is in the car. Is that why you're rushing?
I want the daddy.
Daddy, okay.
I want daddy.
Daddy, namiss na niya ang kanyang daddy.
Big fish.
Big fish. Come on na.
Big fish. Big fish.
I thought you wanna see daddy na. Okay, madilim na. Careful, anak. Careful. Do you wanna see daddy?
That's the car.
Daddy is in the car waiting. Hoy, wait for mama. Hindi siya makahintay ba? Kita yung daddy. Here, daddy. Nak, dire nak. Daddy's on the outside. Careful, next is the car behind you. She's very excited.
Cool, bud.
See?
Did you have a good day at school?
Dito kami ngayon sa labas ng post. And you know what, guys? Start na naman. Kailangan maglinya sa labas kasi hindi pwedeng sama-sama sa loob. Lahat ng tao. Ay, naku. Uy. We're going to do this again. Back to back. Kakauwi lang namin and it is currently 7 o'clock na ng gabi, guys. And hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo isa-isa yung mga napamili namin sa shops kasi naparami yung bili namin. It's because, diba, sabi nga namin, hindi muna kami lalabas ng bahay, hindi muna kami pupunta kung saan-saan until matanggap namin yung resulta from our test. I'm just going to put everything away, guys. And then, we have to cook dinner kasi late na, gutom na kami. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys, ha, yung mga napamili namin. Ayan. Ayan. So, ilang, ano ba yan? Bags. Yung malaman. So, yung nabili namin na groceries, guys, it's worth $300. Ayan. Tapos, yeah, I'll just put them away and I'll cook. Maybe I'll cook stir-fry tonight. We'll see, yeah. I'll cook beef stir-fry tonight. And then, I will see you again soon. What is it na? Oh, light off na? Matulog na ating baby, guys. Okay, light off na daw. Say good night na lang, be. Kaya aron mag-sleep na ta. Say good night, guys. I love you. I'm gonna have Didi now. Say I'm gonna have Didi now. Didi now. Gusto na niyang ipa-off yung lights. Okay. Flying kiss na lang. Don't kiss your foot. Flying kiss with your hand ba? Kalay-kalay, bigit ka din. Yay! Iw, mananak, imong foot. Dahil sa bubo. What's daddy's name? Mommy's name? Your name? Paris. How about Tita's name? Tita. Mimi? Check tayo, guys. It is nearly 10 o'clock ng gabi and yung baby girl natin ay nakatulog na, oh. Pero, i-end ko na yung vlog natin today. Yun lang yung ganap natin. I can't wait na matanggap namin yung resulta from our test. Para naman may peace of mind na tayo. Medyo late si Paris natulog tonight and yeah, it's okay. Kasi bukas, di ba na-mention ko na kanina na from tomorrow, hindi mo na namin isi-send si Paris sa childcare until natanggap namin yung result. Just to make sure that everyone is safe. I think it's better to just keep Paris at home for now. And, you know, nag-shopping na kami kanina na mga pagkain namin para, you know, for the next few days. Para until then, hindi muna kami lalabas ng bahay. Dito na muna kami para isolate namin yung sarili namin until matanggap namin yung resulta. We just thought that it is a great idea na, we'll get tested para naman we'll stop the spreading. Kasi we're talking about people's lives here. Kaya, we have to be very responsible para, to keep everyone safe. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga lovely comments nyo. It makes me very, very happy. The other night, hindi ako nakapag-shoutout kasi pinatulog ko si Paris and at the same time, nakatulog din si ate nyo. Kaya, pasensya na. But now, we're going to do shoutout. And also, I want to welcome all the new subscribers. Welcome sa ating channel. And I hope na na-enjoy nyo yung stay nyo dito. And if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section below. And please keep the comments coming kasi I love reading them all and it makes me very happy pag nakakatanggap ako ng mga comments galing sa inyo. Kaya please leave anything nice lang ha. Wag yung negative kasi nasasaktan ang puso ko pag may mga negative akong comments na nakikita. I'll just do a quick shout out and let's start with Elisa Samiliano. Shout out to Debbie Azguna, Hila Ska, Karen Dimaano, Carla Mi Arias, Kirsten Monhardin, Gina Alcasabas from Laguna, Philippines. Shout out. Shout out to Fe Guarnes, Our Life, Australia, Philippines. Shout out to Rosemary Remoir, Jing De Asis, Rosana Hidalgo, Rosario Sabalye, hello po. Shout out to Fe Seco, LV Monte Alegre, Ginalyn Pasino, Melba Musni, Nori Aliada, Jinya Dular, Crisil Lugsanay, Sharon Ando. Shout out to Jane Mapinmags, Lynn Ahmad, LV Rumboso from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Hello sa inyo lahat dyan. Shout out to Norberta Nono, Katrina Bessie Pulmones, Sarang Hamnida, Mirasol Dayaw, Roselyn Taihon, Joanne Ambe, Marichu Solis from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Hello, shout out. Thank you very much for watching. Shout out to Mariville Patiag, Lorna Tumarong, Flora Ferrer, Nini Jin, Vida Feliz, Rose San Gabriel, Amay Vargas, April Rose Romero, Jenaline Papa, Carmelita Kicho. Shout out to Cherry Bacalso, Erlyn Dio, Jens Guns, and shout out to Laarni TV, Roxanne Montanes Fernandez, Korea Cross Blended. Shout out to Lohan Pasadas, Patricia Mondoyo, Prima Cristobal, Magdalene's Cooking, Mary Rose. Shout out to Eleanor Tanutan, Rensgar Garcia, and shout out to Dubai vlogger Mixed Content Aliha, and shout out to Sis K Acosta. Sisi, you're back. Guys, if you don't know Sis K Acosta, she is one of my very first subscriber. Noong wala pa talagang nanonood ng mga videos ko, I remember na si Sis K talaga yung palaging nanonood. Pag nagla-live ako, she's always there to support me. Palagi siyang nandyan, palagi siyang nagme-message sa akin para hindi ko naman feel na nag-iisa ako. Kaya minessage ko siya sa IG kasi she hasn't been on YouTube for a while kasi hindi ko nakikita yung mga comments niya. And one night, minessage ko talaga siya kasi sabi ko sa kanya na dumadami na tayo dito sa bahay natin. Kasi before nang nanonood siya ng mga videos ko, konting-konti lang yung mga nanonood din. Kaya sabi niya, wag kang mag-alala. Darating din yung time na dadami yung manonood ng mga videos mo. Nung nag-start ng marami nang nag-subscribe sa channel natin, minessage ko talaga siya. And maraming salamat sa inyong lahat sa patuloy na panonood sa aming videos. I try very hard na mag-upload pa ng mga marami pang videos para marami kayong vlog na mapanood. And as always, special mention sa aking friendship at sa aking mamangho diri sa YouTube, Jezz Ziel, Aimie Anthony, and Lawless family. So, if you haven't checked their channels out yet, guys, I will leave their channel links in the description box below para ma-check nyo rin. Anyways, that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please pray for us na sana negative yung result, and hopefully we will get better very soon. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family, and I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!